2015 Dodge Ram 1500. Let's make a FOBIK. First things first, guys, if you would hit that like button. Okay, here we go. We're looking for a Dodge. Again, this is the IM 608 DOD Dodge. Right there. Sorry for the shadows. We're going to go with an automatic selection. We're going to read the VIN number. Okay, I don't show you the VIN number, so here we're going to do the FOBIK. Tells us it's a 2015 Ram. That's what it is. It wants us to turn the ignition off, which we're going to do. Turn the hazards on, which we're going to do. Let's hit OK. And this is the important part we're looking for, the password for this vehicle. You have no idea where we're at, but so we're going to go hot function. We are going to learn this key. Let's see. We want to learn the key, not all keys lost. Let's start the programming. It's going to erase. Here we go. We're now running the cycles. 2 keys. We do not want to read the pin code again. Do you want to learn a new key? We're going to say yes. I did not put in the new key, so it's going to make me wait 1 minute. And it tells me learning failed because this one's already programmed. I didn't put in the right one. Do you want to learn the next key? Yes, we do. Remove the current key. Put the new key in. Place it in the ignition slot. Make sure the ignition is off. Let's do that. And we're good to go. Now we will program it the right way. I left this one in on accident. Just got in and out the herd, so it cost me 1 minute extra time. Just like that, learning successful. Took about less than 10 seconds. Do you want to learn the next key? No, it's going to continue running through its process. Whammo, everything is good. What we're going to do right now, I'm going to pull this off. I'm going to see. Lock, unlock. That works. Let's see if this new key starts. Turn off the hazards. The new key does start. Let's make sure the old key still works. This is the key that's giving them problems. It's shorting out. So we got that. So let's try this real quick. We want to lock and unlock. We're going to watch this guy hit the lock. There's unlock. There's lock. Unlock. We're good to go. Now we got to cut the mechanical key. So let's get over here to the 3D Elite. And it is telling us to use jaw B with the shoulder stop. Make that jaw B with the tip stop. Let's trace this key. And ideally, we want it to pull up a code. Yep, we're going to do an exact duplicate, so it might not pull up a code here. So what this is going to do, instead of cutting, it's going to use that little arm right there to touch the key. And it's touching each portion of the key. And we will make a duplicate of this exact key. Let's not cut a key that doesn't work. It works perfect. Let's put in the new blank. Just right there. Put up that shoulder stop. Move this to the end. Tighten it up. Hard to do one-handed, but we got it made. And we can't cut with that guy. So we're going to make an exact duplicate of the key that we just traced. Watch this. That is sharp, sharp, sharp. Flip it over and do the other side. Shoulder stop. Let's cut it again. Here we go. Sloppy Joe. All done, the 3D Elite. Let's try the new key. First of all, we are going to spray in some, what do I like to call this? Wiener slide. The moment of truth. Get it in there like prom night. Here we go. Just like Mama used to make it. Let's give the customer their new key. Okay, we have a successful customer. Happy customer, you can see. Thank you. 2015 Dodge Ram. Gotta love the trucks. We'll do it all.